So first thing is that you guys will need to open up power plan. So type your power and it should prompt you edit power plan. Click that. Once you guys have clicked there, click on power option and make sure to choose like ultimate performance or high performance if you have. If you don't have ultimate performance, you can check this video to bring this up. Alright, so next thing is that you guys will need to change plan setting and click on advanced power setting. And from here, all you need to do is expand this processor power management, and from maximum processor state, you need to set this as 100, which I have already done. If you have like 99, then make it 100, and on minimum also do the same thing. Alright, so once you guys have done that, you can click on apply and press on OK. Step 2, you need to open up Runbox and type your mxconfig. Alright, then press on OK and it should load up like that, and click on boot, click on advanced option. So make sure to choose maximum number over here. So I have choose here 4 as it's my maximum number. So press on OK and press on OK once again, and you should restart your system more effective. So this is how you guys can boost or speed up your processor speed.